Welcome to the introductory video for the A525 electronic refrigeration controller with adaptive defrost. My name is Tim Butler, one of the Johnson Controls product managers for the Penn line of commercial refrigeration products. In this video, you will be introduced to the new A525 electronic refrigeration controller with adaptive defrost. After viewing this video, you will be familiar with all the new features of the A525 and even begin programming this easy-to-use refrigeration control. The A525 can be used to control all aspects of a single condenser evaporator refrigeration system, such as a walk-in cooler or walk-in freezer. The A525 uses a watertight IP65 rated housing. This makes it ideal for mounting inside a refrigerated space. The A525 controller uses 5 relays to control all aspects of a single condenser evaporator refrigeration system, such as a walk-in cooler or freezer. The first relay is used to control the compressor or liquid line solenoid. The relay can handle a 1 horsepower motor at 120 volts. The second relay is used to control the defrost cycle. It can be used for either electric strip heaters or a hot gas defrost cycle. The third relay is used to cycle the evaporator fan on and off. The fourth relay is an auxiliary relay. It can be used to cycle the low speed of a 2-speed evaporator fan on or off. It can also be used to turn on a light or other such device. The last relay is the alarm relay. It can be connected to a strobe or annunciator to indicate that an alarm condition has occurred. The A525 controller has 5 sensor inputs to help control the refrigerated system. These inputs are standard temperature sensors. When setting up the control, you can select either a PTC sensor or an NTC sensor. The first sensor is used to measure the refrigerated space. This is the main control sensor. The second sensor can be used as a defrost termination sensor. By placing the sensor on the evaporator coil, this sensor can be used to terminate the defrost cycle when a specific temperature is achieved. The A525 also has a high voltage binary input which can receive a signal from a bimetallic switch that is commonly used in evaporator systems for defrost termination. If wired to the high voltage binary input, when the bimetallic switch reaches the defrost termination temperature, the defrost cycle will stop. The A525 has 2 universal inputs which can receive either a binary input signal or an analog signal. These can be used to receive a signal from a door switch, a refrigeration leak detector, man-in-room, or just about any other signaling device. When a signal is received, the control can be set up to perform a specific action, such as shutting down the system or sounding an alarm. The display of the A525 is quite unique. It combines a dot matrix messaging area with a large 4-character area for time and temperature. The dot matrix messaging area provides for programming simplicity. Every programmable function is described in plain language. This allows the user to understand the information that needs to be programmed without referring to a user manual. The main display features the current space temperature as well as time and date information during programming. There are 2 smaller dot matrix areas that also are used for providing additional information for programming simplicity. There are 4 activity icons that indicate the status of the system. The first icon is the defrost icon. When illuminated, it signifies that a defrost cycle is taking place. You'll notice that the main display also indicates that a defrost cycle is occurring. The display has a timer that tells you how much time is remaining in the defrost cycle. To initiate an immediate defrost cycle, simply press and hold the defrost icon for 5 seconds. The main display will ask to confirm the choice to start the defrost cycle. To terminate a defrost cycle, press and hold the illuminated defrost icon for 5 seconds. Again, the main display will ask for confirmation to terminate the defrost cycle. The snowflake icon represents the refrigeration cycle. The icon will be illuminated when the compressor is running. There's also a possibility that there could be a call for cooling, but the icon is not illuminated. This could be an anti-short cycle timer or delay after defrost cycle. This can be noticed on the main screen. Again, the main display will indicate the cause for the delay. The fan icon will be illuminated when the evaporator fan is on. This will usually be any time the snowflake icon is illuminated, but there may be times that the fan is running without a call for cooling, such as during a drip defrost cycle or if the low-speed fan operation is initiated. The last icon is the alarm icon. The alarm icon will only illuminate when an alarm condition occurs. If an alarm sounds, press the alarm icon to silence the alarm. Pressing the alarm icon will either silence the alarm permanently or initiate a snooze timer. The user has a choice when setting up alarms for the alarm to be canceled or to initiate snooze period to allow enough time to investigate the cause of the alarm. If the solution is not found within the allotted time period, the alarm will sound again. The A525 has 4 buttons that are used to program the control. The first button is the menu escape button. This button is used to access the 7 menus of the A525. To enter the menu structure, press and hold the menu escape button for 2 seconds. The up and down buttons are used to navigate the menu structure. When the desired menu item is in the upper messaging area of the display, press the Set button to access that menu. If you want to back out of any menu, press the Menu Escape button. This will take you one step back in the programming process. This entire menu structure will be explored in future videos. As you can see, the A525 is a unique control that will make programming and commissioning much easier. Be on the lookout for additional training modules for the A525 electronic refrigeration controller with adaptive defrost.